Hello, hello. This is the 14th of December of 2020, and we had an unexpected rain, which must have been hard, and we have some water accumulation in this mini dam. It seems to be holding for the moment, at least this part of it, but some destruction was made, and oh, it must have been by that tire. I remember that tire being on this side, so it must have overflown and threw away a lot of the wall, some of the wall, and made some destructions over there, which need to be repaired in the next week. But at least it's holding this much water, which should be a couple of tons of water, more than one, and this is definitely going to soak up into the land and replenish some of the aquifers water. So that's it for this mini update, and we are expecting a lot of rain tomorrow as well, so after that I'm going to be coming to make some repairs on this project. Thanks for watching.